Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Here's a couple of fun little projects done a little bit different with the Distort tool. We're going to make this one first. I'm just going to take an ellipse and hit P. I'm going to get the Distort tool and I'm going to get on the zipper one. And I'm going to put like 11 in this field, which is our number of nodes. Then I'm going to put like 44 in this field. And I get that. Now I can actually go more and make the point sharper. But then if you'll take Control D, holding down your Shift key and just bring that in a little bit, so you're getting those two lines. Then if you'll select them both and go right here to combine, and then you can make it a color. And then you can take away the outline. Then I would actually zoom in a little bit. Take the pick tool, Control D, while holding down the Shift key so it'll grow from the inside. Just kind of get a space between them and make that one green. And then go Control D, make that one red, Control D, make that one yellow, Control D, and they'll constantly get a little bit further apart. But it looks pretty good when you put a black background on it. Now, the other way to do something like this is to use the Distort tool again with an ellipse. We're going to get the Distort tool and we're going to use the zipper and we'll do that same 11 and let's do 25. And then let's go right here to push and distort, distortion, and then we can raise this up and look at, I get right there until I've got a little bit of a curve, but then you can keep going and have a little bit of a spike, do whatever you want to do. Control D to make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key to bring it in, select both those and combine them, and then you can make that blue, take away the outline, and look at the difference. Control D to make a duplicate, hold down the Shift key, make that one green, Control D, make it red or whatever color, Control D, make that one yellow, Control D, make it a dark purple, and look at that. It's all done with the Distort tool. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.